Hi there, I'm Brian Dino with the DPS EdTech team, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to give voice feedback on Google Docs using the Read&Write extension. First, if you want to access these written instructions or this slide deck, you can go to the slide deck here at tinyurl.com/DPS voice feedback. And if you have any questions, you can email us at edtech@dpsk12.org. So giving voice feedback might be a nice option, especially if you're doing remote learning. Of course, you can give feedback using written comments, but some students might appreciate a voice comment from a teacher. So to do that, there are a few steps. And one thing I want to point out is that students do not need this extension in order to hear your voice comments. So a lot of our students already have this extension installed, but even if they don't, they'll be able to hear your voice comments. So there are three things to do. First, to get started, you need to install the Read&Write extension. Then select the text you want to leave a comment on, and that's it. So let's do the first thing. There's a link here to install the Read&Write extension. When I click on it, it brings me to the Chrome Web Store. And I already have this extension installed, so I'm not going to install it again. The only option I have is to remove it. But if you do not have it installed, this will allow you to install it. Once it's installed, then you're going to select the text and use this tool on the Read&Write toolbar called Voice Note. So let me demonstrate that for you now. Let's say I am grading a student Google document. I have an example one here. This is from student 1. And let's say I want to leave a comment on part of the document in this section here. So I'm going to select that text. I do not have the Read&Write toolbar open yet. So up here in the top of my Chrome toolbar, I have lots of extensions. The one I want is the Read&Write extension. When I roll over it, it says Read&Write for Google Chrome. So I'm going to click that. It opens the extension Read&Write, and there's my toolbar. The one tool I am interested in is called the Voice Note. So I'm going to select that. Up comes my microphone. I can leave a comment up to 1 minute. And now I'm going to leave a comment for this student. I'm going to click record. Great job advocating for yourself on this assignment. Keep up the great work. I'm going to stop it. And if I want to hear what I said, I can hit play. Great job advocating for yourself on this assignment. Keep up the great work. If I'm content with that, I simply hit insert, and Read&Write will insert that voice note right into the Google Doc. You'll notice it's on the right side, and when I click on it, it actually, I'll show you in a moment what it looks like from the student view, but there's my comment. Again, I can click on the play button. Great job advocating for yourself on this assignment. Keep up the great work. And now that comment is available for the student to see on their document. Let me switch to the student side. And this is the student side. Notice this is a Google document from a browser that does not have the Read&Write extension installed. But on this document, there is the comment that the teacher left. So if I'm the student, I would come into my document and I can see there is a comment from the teacher. When I click on it, it plays. Great job advocating for yourself on this assignment. Keep up the great work. Okay, the comment actually plays in another browser tab, but the student is still able to hear that comment, that video comment, without the extension being installed. I'm going to come back to the slide deck here, and that's how easy it is to add a voice comment using the Read&Write extension. If you want to learn about more of the features of the Read&Write toolbar, that we have a link here on the resource deck. And also, if you want to learn about giving other types of feedback, written, video, or a few other tips, we have a whole series of short videos at this link here for descriptive feedback videos. And that's how you add a voice comment using a Google Doc.